Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making your dreams come true? What could I help you with today that could take your life and put it onto a higher level? Can you and me work together and get your next new adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute LDL power call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon. Now here is your quote for today. New Monday, new week, new goals. Yes, indeed, it really is. Hello Monday, hello to a brand new week, and what are you going to do with your goals this week? You have a brand new week right here, and there's another 7 days ready for you to go and make a difference. Maybe to your life, maybe someone else's life out there. Don't dread poor old Monday. It's only arrived again to give you another great, incredible week.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.